has happened to you?
I woke up, Kemosabe?
No, I mean it. How could one bad test score transform you into a complete moron? Brian, I'm concerned something is very wrong with you.
No, man, I've never felt better, Beef Stew. Bazinga!
Like what the gay scientist says. Hey, Brian, say something else from TV.
What you talking about, Phyllis?
Ah, gross. He's getting his nose period.
Oh, my God, we've got to get him to a hospital.
Don't worry, Brian, I'll save you. I'm good in a crisis. After all, I used to work the suicide hotline.
I just can't take it. I discovered my wife's been cheating on me for a while. And I can't live like this. I have to kill myself.
Doesn't it make more sense to kill her?
Brian, the good news is we've stopped the bleeding, and we've removed the matchbox car that was lodged in your rectum.
I did that right after you passed out.
Ah, classic P-Dog.
But Dr. Hartman, why did he lose consciousness?
Well, keeping in mind the recent behavioral changes you've described, I did a CAT scan.
On a dog.
We laughed about that, too. However, I'm sorry to inform you that Brian has a brain tumor.
Oh, my God.
There's only one thing to do. Shrink down to microscopic size, enter Brian's brain, and destroy the tumor from within. I was raped by a bug.